Second, what is a folder in DocHopper? Well, first of all, folders are located at the left-hand side of your screen under the label Folders. Folders in DocHopper have two main features. First of all, they do not physically contain the information. That has a very clear implication. You can perform any kind of modification you want on the structure of your database almost instantaneously. If you want to move, for example, a folder, whatever the number of files that are classified under it, whatever the size of those files, you can almost instantaneously move it anywhere in your hierarchy. So that's the first feature. The folders in DocHopper serve as an abstract classification of your data. They do not physically contain any file. The second feature has to do with the way the content of a folder can be displayed. Let's take, for example, this folder, the folder warranty. I'm going to double click on the folder warranty. What I see displayed in the grid right here are three documents. Those three documents are directly classified under that single folder called warranty. But now let's try this. I'm going to try to see all the folders, subfolders, and subfolders that are directly classified under that single folder. To do that, I could open one by one, of course, the folders simply by clicking on the plus sign here, but I can also more simply right click on warranty and select expand this folder. Now all the sub-hierarchy of the selected folder is open. I see that there are up to 8 different folders directly classified under warranty. What I want to see is not the documents that are directly classified under warranty. What interests me are all the documents that are classified anywhere inside of the hierarchy, classified under whatever sub folder. So what I do in this case is I'm going to select include subfolder content, and here's what's going to happen. I have a list much bigger of documents, but as you can see, there is a little yellow sign that appears here, and the result is 500 results. Well, when that little sign appears, that means that the number of results that are currently displayed in the grid is limited. It does not contain the full content of all the documents that should be returned. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in Tools, go to Options, and change the maximum number of results displayed. To be really sure, we are going to put 5,000, which is the maximum amount. I'm going to click Apply, then I'm going to quickly choose and double click on the same warranty folder and see what's happening. Well, this time there is no exclamation mark here, and the number of results displayed is 3,178 results. The documents that are displayed in the grid are this time all the documents classified anywhere inside the hierarchy of folders, subfolders, etc., directly classified under warranty. Now the question comes, why is that a very interesting feature of DocHopper? Well, it's a very interesting feature in that it is very easily combined. It can be very easily combined with a search. Let's go to the search panel. In order to do that, we just click on the search label right here at the lower left hand side of your screen. I'm going to click on search only current docs, and that checkbox allows me to perform a search not on the entire content of the database, but only on the documents that are currently displayed in the grid right now. Let's make a quick example. Let's choose, for example, to search all the documents which have XML in their title. So I'm going to choose XML in title. I check that I have actually checked the search only current docs. And here I'm going to click here. Well, here am I. I have actually one single document in the 3178, if I remember correctly, that actually have the letters X, M, and L in their content. Now, if I want to check that those are only the documents that were classified under or that were amongst the 3178 documents, I can perform the same search, but on the entire database. Let's compare. I uncheck the search only current docs text box and I perform the same search. This time I have 22 results. So this is example serves as a sort of quick overview of the kind of multiple searches that you can do perform with DocHopper. More on that on a special tutorial about the search engine DocHopper. Let's get back for a last remark in the folders label. I'm just going to click there. Now there is a slight difference in the way those folders are presented. I don't know if you remember, but previously the folder that I had double clicked was in green. This time no folders are selected. What does that mean? Well, that means that the content of the grid here is the result of a search and not the result of a double click. Compare, if I click as I already did, I'm going to uncheck include subfolder content. I'm going to click on double click on warranty. Well, this time the documents that are displayed are the documents directly classified in the warranty, and I can see that the folder warranty is now in green, which means that the content of the grid is the result of a folder click and none of a search. Now the time has come to go to a next tutorial about the way DocHopper's very powerful search engine works. So thank you for your attention.